In this short video, we are going to learn how to resolve one of the issue which we always face while downloading the tracker from internet or Visual Basic application based project. So whenever you received any of the tracker, either through email or maybe website, and whenever you try to open it, okay, you can say this type of error is showing up, like object does not support this property or method. And the reason is because in this tool, developer has used ActiveX Control, and if you go to the developer tab, if you'll see here insert, you do not see ActiveX Control. It means somehow the ActiveX Control is missing. So I mean, the solution is you just need to go to the file and then option, okay, and then here trust center and trust center settings, ActiveX Control, and click on prompt me before enabling all this, okay, and click on okay. Now this Control S, close it, and then again reopen it. Now you can see that it does not prompt any error, and if you go to the developer tab, it will start showing this ActiveX Control. It means this project has ActiveX Control, and now you can start using it. Thank you.